honey flux and tin silver solder. Yes, it's better. And this is an organic flux, that's why so much fog. Okay. Now we go to rinse this with the water. Just wait. Solder is spread along the aluminum surface. Now we will solder aluminum without the flux. Just deposit the solder, wait for heating. Okay, when aluminum is melted, we start to deposit it with the brush. You see? This is one. Now it's in the leave it for cooling. And take another one plate. With the solder. Wait for melting. It's melted. And now we again remove the oxide film mechanically with the metal brush, with a steel brush. So it's melted and wetted. Aluminum is wetted with the solder. Now we place this with the solder on the hot plate again and place the second part above it and compress. As soon as solder inside will be melted, the joint is ready. Just wait for cooling. That's it. So again, there is solder joint ready. No flux at all.